Hello dear students. So in the previous class, in the circles chapter, we have discussed up to the question 10. The question 10 was prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center, and we have proved that, right? So now the 11th question is prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is rhombus. Can anyone tell me what is the properties of parallelogram? You have learned the parallelogram properties in the 9th standard. Can you tell me the properties of parallelogram? Yes, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonal bisects each other. Very good. So next, what is the properties of rhombus? Can you tell me rhombus can be a parallelogram? Yes, yes. Rhombus is a type of a parallelogram. Is every parallelogram is a rhombus? Is every parallelogram is a rhombus? No. Okay. So now this 11th question is prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is rhombus. So the 11th question is, let us have a diagram of it. A parallelogram circumscribing a circle. A circle is there. The circle is circumscribed by a parallelogram. Sorry. The parallelogram is circumscribed by a circle. So now, what we have to prove? If this is a parallelogram, A, B, C and D, and a circle of center O, we have to prove that ABCD is a rhombus. Isn't it, dear students? In the question, it is given that a parallelogram ABCD is a rhombus. First, let us discuss how we can. So, look at here the question. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is rhombus. So, let us see how we can prove it. First thing, as we know that ABCD is a parallelogram, right? ABCD is a parallelogram. So AB is equals to CD because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Then one more thing, AD is equals to BC. AD is equals to BC because these are the another pair of opposite sides of a parallelogram. Done. So what is rhombus? All the sides of a rhombus are equal. If we prove that AB is equals to BC and BC is equals to CD and CD is equals to AD, that means if all the four sides are equal, if we prove that, then it means that ABCD is a rhombus. So let us start proving it. Let AB CD be the parallelogram circumscribing a circle with center O. Let AB CD is a parallelogram circum circumscribing circle of center O. So circle is of center O. So let us have the diagram. This is our parallelogram and a circle A, B, C, D. Dear students, the points must be touching the circle, okay, or the circles must be touching to the point of a ABCD. So with center O, look at here, let ABCD is a parallelogram circumscribing a circle with center O. What we have to prove? To prove AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. We have to prove that. Okay, that is ABCD is rhombus. This is what we have to prove here. Okay, now let us take these points as where the circle is touching the parallelogram. Let us take this point as P, Q, R and take it as S. Okay, so dear students, when you see this AP and AS to a circle, what you call them? Yes, exactly, tangents from external point to a circle. Tangent from external point to a circle. So let us start proving proof. Before going to that, we will write that AB is equals to CD. Let this be equation 1. AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC. AD is equals to BC. I am taking these two. Why? Write the reason. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Okay. So next, now I am taking AP is equals to AS. AP is equals to AS. Okay, BP is equals to BQ. BP is equals to BQ. Okay, CQ is equals to CR and DR is equals to DS. Why these all are equal? Because here they are the tangents from an external point to a circle. Tangents from external external point to a circle. Tangents from external point to a circle. So adding, let this be equation 3. So adding all from LHS and adding all from RHS, AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equals to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. So what is AP plus BP? AP plus BP is equals to AB. CR plus DR is equals to CD. So AS plus DS is equals to AD. BQ plus CQ is equals to BC from the figure, right? So already we know that AB is equals to what from equation 1 and 2. AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC. Sorry, I have written here, I should write AB. So from figure we know that AB is equals to CD. So therefore instead of CD I will replace this with AB itself. Okay, and AD is equals to BC. So instead of AD I will be writing BC itself, BC plus BC from equation 1 and equation 2. So AB plus AB to AB, BC plus BC to BC, 2 cancel, AB is equals to BC. AB is equals to BC, right? So we have AB is equals to CD, we already have. AD is equals to BC, we already have here. Now we proved that. Now we proved AB is equals to BC. Let this be equation 4. So from equation 1, 2 and equation 4, AB is equals to BC, right? Equation 4 says AB is equals to BC. In BC, in equation 2 you have BC is equals to AD, right? And we have in the first equation AB is equals to CD. So all the four sides are equal. Hence ABCD is rhombus. ABCD is rhombus. Got it? I will minimize this. If you want to take the screenshot of the whole problem at one place, you can take it. So your problem starts from here. Let ABCD is a parallelogram circumscribing circle of center. The diagram. Then to prove all the sides are equal, that is, if you prove all the sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. And the proof AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC, that is ABCD is a parallelogram, so that is why opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So now we are taking the tangents from an external point. Look at here in the figure, in this figure, ABCD, the points ABCD acts as an external point, right? External points to a circle, and AS, AP, BP and BQ, they acts as a tangents from an external point. So using that concept, here we are writing AP is equals to AS, BP is equals to BQ, CR is equals to CQ, and DR is equals to DS. So adding both LHS and RHS, you are getting AB plus CD is equals to AD plus BC, and AB plus AB, because from equation 1 and 2 you can replace CD by AB and you can replace AD by BC. So AB plus AB is equals to 2AB, and BC plus BC is equals to 2BC. So AB is cancelling 2 on the both sides, you have AB is equals to BC. From equation 1, 2 and 4 you can say that all these sides are equal, hence it is a rhombus. Okay, fine, thank you.